Hi everyone, a very quick video. I want to remind you that if you have pre-ordered Dreena's Kind Kitchen, and many of you have, thank you, you will get a free ebook. It's 12 bonus recipes, just like the recipes in Dreena's Kind Kitchen. They're fully photographed, just like these recipes. You will get it delivered to your inbox within 2 business days. If you haven't received that ebook, then email dreenaskindkitchen@gmail.com. I will give that information in the description of the video here, so you can pop down an email if you haven't received it, because sometimes people have emailed it through the receipt information and it just hasn't gone through for whatever reason. So there's a couple of ways you can make sure you get it. Either email me or email through that direct email, dreenaskindkitchen@gmail.com. But if you have ordered any times from when I first mentioned the cookbook, which was back in October, until the publication date, which is August 24th, this month, and just like less than 2 weeks now, when this book releases, that free ebook just kind of goes away. So this is the time to order. And there's other bonus gifts. So if you order 1 copy, that free ebook will just get sent to your inbox within 2 business days. If you order 2 copies, if you're thinking of gifting the book, like maybe for the holidays, which is a great idea, it's a beautiful, beautiful book, then I have recorded 5 recipe cooking videos to send to you. Once publication day comes on the 24th, you will receive an email with those cooking video demos, okay? So that's with 2 copies, and you still get the bonus ebook, right? So it's a double win. And then if you order 5 copies, there's an extra gift, and 10 copies, there's an extra gift. We have like 4 tiers, and with each tier, you get all of the gifts from the previous tiers. So lots of things to be had for free. And then there's also the giveaways. So I worked hard to get you guys some super prizes for the launch of this book. And we have a Blend Tech prize pack, O Cosmetics Vegan Skincare, which is what I use, an Instant Pot, and Complement Vegan Supplements. On my pre-order page, you can enter to win those prizes. There's 4 winners, okay? So I wanna make sure you have that information, because it's only for another like week and a half that you can order and get that ebook of 12 bonus recipes, all oil-free, whole foods vegan. You'll love them, fully photographed. And yeah, so get to the pre-order page. If you have any questions, email through the email information, dreenaskindkitchen@gmail.com, in the video description, okay? Enjoy those extra recipes from Dreena's Kind Kitchen. I've already heard from many of you who are loving them, okay? I'll be back soon. Bye.